Click on the link below to get price. The 1000W folding electric bike is an impressive blend of performance, convenience, and portability, making it a standout choice for both commuters and recreational riders. With its powerful 1000W motor, this e-bike delivers a thrilling ride, allowing speeds to reach over 30 miles per hour. This feature is particularly appealing for those looking to navigate urban environments quickly or tackle hilly terrains with ease. One of the bike's most commendable attributes is its 48V 20AH removable battery. This not only provides a substantial range of up to 80 miles on a single charge but also allows users to easily swap out the battery if needed. This is especially useful for longer journeys or when you want to charge the battery separately from the bike. The bike's performance remains consistent and responsive, even under load, making it suitable for various riders, from leisurely cyclists to more energetic ones. The folding design is a game-changer. It allows for easy storage and transportation, making it ideal for urban dwellers with limited space or those who wish to take their bike on public transport. Folding it down is straightforward, and it locks securely in place, ensuring that it won't accidentally unfold in transit. Comfort is not overlooked with this bike either. The adjustable seat and handlebars cater to different body types, providing a personalized fit. The suspension system effectively absorbs shocks, making for a smooth ride even on uneven surfaces. Additionally, the inclusion of front and rear lights enhances safety for night riding. However, it's worth noting that the bike's weight may be a consideration for some, as it is heavier than traditional bicycles due to the motor and battery. Nonetheless, the performance and utility far outweigh this drawback. Overall, the 1000W folding electric bike is a fantastic investment for anyone seeking a reliable, high-performance e-bike that combines speed, range, and portability in a sleek design. It truly redefines convenience in electric biking.